I was sent this set of two mower blades for a John Deere series and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here it goes. Here's how they'll be sent to you. You get two in a pack because these work on a 42-inch John Deere style mower. A lot of their Z series, you're going to want to check the specifications on this product, make sure that the model works with yours, but a lot of their Z series John Deere's this will fit with. Notice this has the round hole. Some are star patterns, but these use a round hole. And you can see the bend in these blades and these edges on the corners here that allow for a lot of movement of the grass underneath the deck and a lot of airflow. And that's what these are designed for. So you've got this flat part here in the center, tapers down, and then you've got this little bit of a curve here with your cutting edge right along this part right here. And now these parts up here are going to swirl up and disturb the air and allow you to lift grass up and into the cutting range of the blades, so that as you're spinning around, you're going to lift the dirt and the grass and the crud off the ground and then start to mulch it and cut it up right here on the edge. So you're going to make sure when you install these, you get them right side up, and you're going to do that by ensuring that the blade here is angled pointing down at the bottom, and you're going to go in like this with your retention screw right up to the middle there. You're going to get two of these. These are really thick. It's just a big hunk of steel, and give you some measurements on them. The devices themselves fit the 42-inch deck, and each one of them is about 21.5 inches long. Roughly. They're just a little bit short of that. So you want to compare against the current blades that you have. These come in with a width of about 2.5 inches. And then thickness, they're coming in at about 1/8 of an inch. A little bit more than 1/8 of an inch. Very sturdy, very solid. If you hit rocks with these, you're going to be all right. So these work on the John Deere series of mowers with a mowing deck, garden tractors and whatnot. Hope this is helpful to learn a little bit more about these particular blades. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.